As we mentioned at the top of the broadcast, all of the area is under a flood watch.
Let's check back in with Mary Kay, and we're seeing even lightning, some thunderstorms out there.
Right, it does not feel like February because temperatures keep soaring. We have waves of rain, we have thunder and lightning, and such mild temperatures because that warm front lifting to the north has opened the door for 57 degrees currently. Now, our normal daytime afternoon high is 37, but we're at 57 in Manhattan and Shorewood, in Bourbonnais, David giving 59, and Terry and Genoa 54 degrees currently. We also have a 59-degree reading from Mike, and he is in North Judson, and yes, he has thunder and lightning and gusty rain and storminess, and that's really unheard of for February, but it's the setup because we have tropical moisture coming from the Gulf of Mexico riding ahead of the jet stream, and this has all created the flood watch, and we could see 1 to 4 inches of rain possible from this system by the time it ends Wednesday morning. 59 degrees right now. The wind out of the south and southwest at 18 is drawing that mild air here to Chicago. So here's the position of the warm front. Detroit is up to 56. We have 63 south of the front, but only 28 in Green Bay and 20 degrees in Minneapolis. That low pressure center over Iowa, that's what's giving us the lift in the atmosphere to create the heavy rain that is loaded with tropical moisture. So you can see with the instability that we are getting a lot of lightning strikes showing up here. And as we zoom in a little tighter from Valparaiso to Gary, a good cluster of storminess there. Also some lightning in Orland Park and just offshore from Chicago. So we're going to continue this pattern here for tonight and for tomorrow because we will get this influence from the Gulf of Mexico wrapping around that storm center. Now, rainfall amounts, it really depends where you get those heavier showers or thunderstorms to repeat or train in the same place. So it looks like we could see some rainfall totals of 3 to 4 inches perhaps from Valparaiso to Kankakee, in Chicago to Joliet probably 2 to 3, but again, isolated areas could be much higher if you get those rains repeating in the same places. So we see the temperature trends, this very mild air that's locked over us today. It stays over us tomorrow as well with the green and blues here, but then by Wednesday, here comes that transition to colder air. A lot of this could turn freezing by Wednesday morning. So tomorrow we're tracking this front. It'll come through tomorrow evening around 7 or 8 o'clock, and then we'll see those winds shift and the cold air moves in for Wednesday as temperatures take a dive, but high pressure will start to dry us out during the day on Wednesday. So heavy rain, thunderstorms tonight, temperatures in the middle 50s, and during the day tomorrow 62 degrees with that thunder chance hanging on, but definitely those rain showers moving through. So ponding on roadways, definitely a problem. Here we go back to reality. 37, that's our normal high, as I mentioned. We're cool on Thursday, too. And Rob and Erica, it looks like when our next system comes on the weekend, it's going to be a mix because of the temperatures being on the mild side.
Those all look pretty good for February.
Sure
No doubt.
do.
Thanks, Mary Kay.